Hi first graders, today's math video will be a short one because I want to give you plenty of time to work on your test. If you could please turn to page 35 in your math workbook. You will find a page that looks like this. It's Unit 1, Review and Test. So yesterday you watched the video where I reviewed some problems with you in preparation for today's test. So if you're on page 35 of your math workbook, the first thing you're going to need to do is put your name and date on the top, okay? I'm going to read the directions to you for each section, and then you can take your test. Parents, do your best to let the student work it out on their own. I know you'll be tempted to help, but I still need to see what they know versus what I should work on with them when they return. So number 1 and 2, the directions are: see the 5 group, that's this part right here. Draw extra dots to show the number. So you need to get up to 7. You need to get up to 8. For number 3, it says, does the picture match the number? Choose yes or no. So you think to yourself, does this picture match the number 7? If it does, circle yes, or color in the bubble for yes. If it does not match, color in for no. Do the same thing with 8 and 5. Okay, please turn the page. Now we're on page 36. Okay, for number 4, this might look familiar if you were paying attention to the video yesterday. It says choose all the 10 partners. Okay, fill in the bubbles of those that match the picture. For number 5, it says complete the 6 partners. So the total is 6. What number pairs with this partner to get you to 6? Circle it, please. Circle the one that matches to get you to 6. Oops. For number 6, it says write the numbers in the boxes to show the partners. So here we have partners of 9. Okay, think about it. What pairs with what to give you 9? I'll give you a hint. We usually like to start with 1 and whatever is 1 less than 9. All right? Number 7 says use patterns to solve. Remember what we talked about with one more. Please turn the page. We're on page 37 now, and we're going to write the partners. Okay? Remember to ask yourself how many are colored in and how many are not colored in to fill in the blanks. Number 11 might look very familiar to you if you watched our video yesterday. You are supposed to write the facts that match each total. So go one by one and put those equations into the boxes that they belong in. So your choices are 7, 8, and 9. Trying to zoom in here. All right, number 12, 13, and 14, write the partners and then the switched partners. So count the dots that are colored in and how many dots are not colored in, and then switch the partners, okay? Reverse that order for 12, 13, and 14. Turn the page. Now we're on page 38. And number 15 says use patterns to solve. Okay, so 3 take away 1, 4 take away 1, and 5 take away 1. Put your answers in the box. For number 16, I'm just going to have you write all the partners of 8. Okay, so for number 8, you don't have to follow those directions. Just write all the partners of 8. This will be the last page of your test. Please leave it in your workbook. When you return, I will rip it out and grade it then. Okay? Thank you very much, friends. Do your best work on your test. Please make sure you put your name on it, because when I rip it out eventually, I need to know whose is whose. I know you can do it. I believe in you. And go ahead and get to work. See you tomorrow.